ACI stands for Advanced Courier Interface Software. Developed by DA Systems since 1999, the software powers many of the UK's leading same-day courier companies. ACI is a server-based product that supports single site to the largest national multi-location couriers. ACI is a powerful product. Its functionality is vast and rich. It has had over 20 years of development. It's an end-to-end solution. Aside from an accounts package, such as Sage or Xero, even a large same-day courier can run their entire operation on this one system. One customer that we installed to consolidated 13 different systems into one. This video aims to give a short, high-level demonstration of its features. Where possible, more detailed functionality and capabilities are simply listed as bullet points. For a more detailed discussion or demonstration, please email sales@da-systems.co.uk. Before you can create bookings using ACI, you need to have some basic setup in place. To manage users, and that's anyone from your courier company that needs to use ACI, go to System, People Maintenance, Users. And here you can create new or edit existing users. ACI has many user features, and these include the ability to manage passwords and roles, enter shift patterns and working hours, to allow access to different sites and business units, to allow permissions to control screen circuits, reporting access, allowing Messenger to activate messages between the controller and the driver, security, to choose what buttons and features are available to that user. You also have the ability to delete and clone users, plus much more. To add and manage your customers in ACI, go to System, Customer Maintenance. I'm going to look for an existing customer. ACI powers a vast array of functionality, specifically set against customers. And some of those features include the ability to manage the address book and contacts, ability to add and manage references, surcharges, invoices, sales rep commission, hours of operation, notes, booking confirmations, carriage forward, and ETA notifications, plus much more. Drivers are also added as part of the setup process. We do this under System, People Maintenance, Driver Maintenance. You can add a new driver or edit the details of an existing driver. Driver functionality includes managing a driver's sites and vehicles, surcharges and shift structures, adjustments, access to the QR codes for the NX Transport Driver app, invoices and pay details, billing, notes to store on file, reporting, the ability to delete and clone drivers, driver photos, and much, much more. And before you can create a booking in ACI, you need to also have your pricing in place, and this is managed under System, Pricing Maintenance. ACI pricing is a huge topic in itself. It is incredibly flexible and includes support for creating rate cards and tariffs for many different types of pricing and charges. And these include mileage, zonal, special, weight and volumetric, overnight, international, adjustments, surcharges and extras pricing, plus much more. But now that your customer, rates, drivers and users are in place, you're ready to create a booking. To do so, click Telephonist, New Live Booking. To activate your booking form, enter your customer. I have my reference set up as mandatory, so I must enter a number or code here. As mentioned, ACI is predominantly a same-day system, but it does allow for other delivery types, such as overnight and international, if configured. By default, we see a section for the collection address and a section for the delivery address. Of course, we could also have multi-stop routes with as many addresses as we like. But for this demonstration, we're going to keep it simple with a pick and drop docket. ACI uses Royal Mail addressing, So I start by entering my postcode. As I do so, I'm presented with all of the addresses within that postcode, and I simply choose the address that I want to use. And again for the delivery address. If there is only one address within that postcode, the address will be populated automatically. To add the docket to the control screen for further management, click Save and Clear. As you can see from the booking screen, there are many other features regarding bookings, such as wait and returns, pre-bookings, references, contacts, POD notifications, address notes, deadlines, quotes, scheduling, docket sharing, and much, much more. To view and manage all of your live bookings, access the control screen via Controller, Control Screen. The job we just created is the one at the bottom. Bookings display in different colours depending on the status of the booking, and all colours are configurable. Let's assign our job to a driver by right-clicking the job and selecting Status, Driver Alloc for driver allocation. Enter the call sign of the driver and click Allocate. Drivers use the NX Transport app and receive a notification when a new job arrives. Jobs can be accepted or declined if configured. Once accepted, the driver can make their way to the collection point. They can tap Navigate in the address to open up the device's default SatNav application. They can mark the job as collected and then make their way to the delivery point. At the delivery point, photos and signatures can be taken. The majority of driver actions feed back to the ACI control screen, so the controller always knows the latest status of the job. Other actions that can be performed in the app are exceptions, waiting time, auto navigation to destination, viewing historic jobs, scanning, messaging, and breaks. Other actions you can perform on the control screen include being able to search, amend, move, and reorder a job, manually progress a job, creating multiple circuits and managing circuit filtering, job audits, job pricing, adding extras, sharing dockets, parcel management, job status progression, sending messages to drivers, estimated times and revised ETAs, plus much more. We've seen a few features in this video, but ACI has many other features including driver tracking, a screen of which you can see on the right. There's also invoicing, in-depth reporting, track and trace, route optimization, proactive ETAs, and many types of integrations, including off-the-shelf and bespoke. It's good for you to know that ACI is renowned for its stability. Downtime due to software technical issues is incredibly rare. It's also renowned for its scalability. ACI can cope with more than 15,000 jobs per day with ease. Why not check out the DA Systems YouTube channel? You can find videos on the NX Transport app and the ACI Net customer portal, showing you both of these features in more detail. Also, keep an eye out in the future for a route optimization and proactive ETAs video. To summarise, ACI is aimed at large to enterprise-sized UK couriers. It's probably not the solution for small to medium-sized couriers, but our cloud-based product Topbox might be. Please email sales@da-systems.co.uk for more information. If you would like to see a more in-depth ACI demo, again please email sales@da-systems. Expect a detailed demonstration to last between 2 to 3 hours. Should you decide to move further with ACI, expect your time from a signed order form to your hosted service setup, to your training, to your go live, to take between 8 to 12 weeks. Thanks for watching.